If you're looking to sell your home, but your home needs some improvements before you put it on the market for sale, I've got a solution for you. My name is Kyle Whissel with Whissel Realty Group, and today I want to talk to you about a really cool solution that we've been able to put together to help you get your home sold, especially those of you who have a home that needs some improvements before you sell the home. I'm going to tell you 9 out of 10 homes could use some improvements before they go on the market. One of the cool things about working with our team here at Whissel Realty Group is we're very tuned in to what are the improvements that are going to give you a very positive return on your investment, and also the improvements that are going to give you little to no return on your investment. We'd love to sit down with you and figure out exactly where you're at. We could put a plan in place of what you need to do to your home to get it ready to go on the market, sell it top dollar. But you're probably like, well, Kyle, I don't have the money. I don't have enough money to improve the home. Well, guess what? I've got the solution. They'll bring you the money and can help you get your home improved with all the right improvements that are gonna maximize your return. And the great part is, with our partners, that you have $0 out of pocket to make this happen. It's a beautiful, beautiful thing. So very simple here. You move out of the house, they'll come in, they'll improve the home, whether you wanna put $20,000 or $200,000 into the home. They will front all of the expenses for you, get the home completely renovated, we'll get the home on the market, get it sold. All you do is you pay the contractor their cost and you keep the profits. So instead of selling your home to somebody who's gonna flip your home and they're gonna make all the profits, you can make the profits yourself. Now you might be saying, well, I need the proceeds from this home so I can go buy another home first. Guess what? We can help you with that too. We can even front you the proceeds from your current home, give you some of that money now so you can go buy the new home. Then we can renovate the home and sell it and give you the additional proceeds later and get you 2 paychecks instead of just 1 paycheck. So if you want to learn more about these 2 programs, give us a call, shoot us a text at the number down below. I'm Kyle Whissel with Whissel Realty Group.